birthday, Miggy. Happy 7th birthday, Miggy. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana healthy ka hanggang sa paglaki mo. Then, sa pag-aaral mo, galingan mo pa. Enjoy mo lang yung mga plays mo. Enjoy ka lang sa mga laro. Then, lagi kang makikinig kala mami at daddy. And magiging mabait na bata. Kumain ng gulay. Love you na. Au!
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the pop,
Welcome to Miggy's birthday party!
just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar.
Hello, Miggy! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang gagabayan ng mga guardian angel mo, ni Lord, sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Sana lagi kang malusog, lagi kang healthy, naway lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos, saka masunurin sa magulang. Wish ko din na sana lumaki ka din na laging may respeto sa kapwa, matalino, malusog, mabait, at matapang din, no, sa pagharap sa buhay. And sana lagi kang maging matulungin din sa kapwa. Happy birthday!
You got